In this video, we're going to talk about two-factor authentication. It's also known as 2FA. It's important because we're dealing with student information and we want to keep it confidential. Now, for some of you, you might already have it set up. We're utilizing a cell phone to do two-factor authentication. This video is going to focus more on using your actual computer that you're logged into already to do two-factor authentication. Your first step is going to be to go into your programs and find your Microsoft Store. I have it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and let that open up. All right, once I'm in here, I'm going to do a search for FortiToken. So there it is right there. I'm going to click on it. Now I already own it, but I'm going to go ahead and click on it and install it. I'm going to open it up, and here I have it all set up. Now the thing is, we're going to have to go ahead and pair this with our Microsoft account. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up side by side with one of my Microsoft programs. I'm going to use Edge to make life easy. I am logged into Edge, and you can tell because I have my little icon up here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go to Manage Profile Settings. And you'll see now that I have them open side by side. I do need to go ahead and manage my account settings. So I'm going to click on that. If you had this opened up all the way, you would actually see that the security info is on the side here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You can see that I currently have two methods already set up. I can have Microsoft call my phone, or I actually use a Microsoft Authenticator on my cell phone. What we're going to do is we're going to add this new account type, this FortiToken app. So before we go ahead and mess around with this here, we're going to go ahead and create a new FortiToken. Because this is for my BPS account, I'm going to go ahead and type BPS account so I know what it's for. And then I need to get this key. This key actually comes from Microsoft, so that's why I have them both open side by side. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click Add a New Method. I'm going to use an Authenticator app. Click Add. Here it's giving me an option. I want to use a different Authenticator app, so I'm going to click on that. Click Next. If I were using my cell phone to set this up, this is where I would utilize a QR code scanner. I can't scan the image because I'm setting it up on this computer. So I go ahead and I get in here, and this is that secret key that's referenced over here in the FortiToken window. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this little double piece of paper. Click on that. I'm going to paste it in there. And before I click Done, I need to change this right here to third party because it's a third party app. I'm going to click Done. You can see that it's actually going to start generating numbers that I can use every 30 seconds. Before I'm ready to use this, I have to come back over to my Authenticator app and finish the connection. So I'm going to click Next. And now it's asking me for the 6-digit code. And the 6-digit code is this one that's over here. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And it does change. So you got to make sure that you can get it in time. I will click Next. And now you'll notice I now have 3 Authenticator apps. So I'm going to show you what this looks like and why this is important. I'm going to actually open up a guest browser so you can see what this does. I'm going to go to Office. I'm going to log in like I normally would. I'm going to say I can't use my Authenticator app, so it's going to give me some other options. I am going to utilize this other option here, which is the verified code, assuming I didn't have my phone on me. So now I need to see where that code is from my FortiToken. Because I was able to type that code in, you'll now see that it is allowing me to authenticate. And I was able to do it all on my computer. If you need any assistance with this, feel free to reach out to help.buffaloschools.org or to go on to the IT help desk on Teams. Thanks.